Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July the 5th on a Wednesday. Seeing a little bit of gap down in the market, about 0.5%, nothing major. We did have about 5 decent days there, so it wouldn't be very natural to see a consolidation or maybe a pullback to these moving averages. So you keep it tight, but let's take a look at some stocks that are setting up nicely. It's all about the setup when it comes to my trading. And so let's take a look. I'm liking the way this Netflix, it was a trade of the week call actually, and like the bottoming tail on Monday. Looking for maybe just a take out of the 3-day high there, and that Netflix could be worth a nibble anyway. Marvell, I do like the semis are still holding up. The semis have a nice look to them, and so does Marvell. Tried to break down through this, into this gap, and it couldn't do it. And then on Monday, it closed above those two moving averages and closing on highs. So keeping an eye on Marvell. CCEP is an interesting chart here, and I'm not going to draw it, but if you guys would just imagine a wedge here in this thing, a nice little wedge conforming or forming there in that CCEP. So watch that just maybe above the 65 level. PANL, PANL, decent move. I looks like a chase, guys, but this is a key level up here, the 725 level. So maybe just put your price alert in there, and see what happens. Hopefully, it maybe consolidates for a couple of days and then blows through. But take a look for one more. Let's take a look at FTDR. And this one has just been kind of moving sideways after a decent move for a couple of months now. So maybe above like the 32.10 level, take a look at. That's it for today. Have a great one. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.